Today we will be creating an RPC runner that can execute database operations and saga flows. Your deployment already includes a main RPC runner that has access to a MongoDB database. We will use this runner as the foundation for our setup. We start by selecting our base runner as base RPC. This will give our runner many capabilities such as database operations, running sagas, and queries. Next, we add a state element, in our case Quickbuild, to represent the database table. We then add a query element for accessing the master database. Once everything is configured, we click Save. At this point, our RPC runner is ready and can be used to execute sagas, database operations, and queries through a single runner configuration. With just a few components added, we've created a fully functional RPC runner capable of orchestrating backend workflows.